Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Anker. So lately they don't really say exactly what kind of products there are in these boxes, but this is the a charging cable, which is slightly different. So you will split the charge thanks to this device in here. So you could charge two devices at the same time from one port. And if that port is like 100 watts, that's good. That means you could split the charge. So for example, let's say we have a power bank and we'll plug this into the USB C port. That's a bit weird. It's like brand new and it looks a bit dirty, but can easily clean it. So let's plug this in there. It does say in, and this one's doesn't say out. It makes sense. So let's use two phones and let's see. Actually, I'm gonna put this to charge fast. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra. So we're gonna just do battery and then we'll do charging settings. Fast charging is already on, so let's plug it in. And you can see in there it's charging 12, 15. Let's just wait until it comes on. So it looks like it takes about 17, 18, 19. It keeps on growing. So I'm gonna plug in this into the other phone, which is an iPhone 15, and then now this one is charging as well. So we have both charging, and let's see what happens in here. Very interesting is this probably almost charged. It's 87% charged, but with Apple I'm not really sure how you do it to charge faster, but it looks like it's using 20 for both. I feel like the Samsung is taking most of it. So that would be what I have that requires a bit more power when charging. Not sure if I can charge another power bank maybe instead of the phone. See if it's using a bit more. So that's charging, and I should go a bit more now. $25 watts. 26. Yeah. Question will be, usually phones, it looks like even in fast charging it doesn't take that much charge, but the question would be if it's actually capable of charging like two devices at the same time. Obviously this could give up to 100 watts per port, so let's see. Okay, so we'll try and charge two laptops. Let's see what's happening. I've turned them on as well, so the charge will be a bit more. So we'll put that in there, and let's see first how much this one is taking. It's probably also fully charged, but because it's on, it takes about 47, 49. Okay, now it's down, probably because it's not used anyway. 60 watts it shows now, 51, very random. Anyway, so let's just plug in this one as well. Hopefully this charges as well. It might not be capable of taking that and charge it. So let's see. It says in here it's charging. Yeah, it's actually charging 2 laptops, guys. So that's a really good cable. I don't know why you see in here it says 59, 58, 72. That's what I want to see when it's charging 2 laptops. Yeah. So then this display, it's a bit behind. That's a bit weird. Now it goes down. Very random. So, but what I can tell you, I can see this laptop is charging. And also, let me have a quick look. Yeah, this other laptop is also charging. So yeah, it's like this probably because both of them are already fully charged. That's why it goes down and up. But we know both are charging, so that's good. Thanks for watching.